I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide Facebook Messenger message previews on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Facebook Messenger app and then tap the menu icon at the top of this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of this menu. Messenger settings options are displayed. Step 3. Tap notifications and sounds in this list. Step 4. Scroll down to the Notification Preferences section and then tap to toggle off Show Previews. Previews will no longer be displayed associated with new Facebook Messenger messages. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.